till death do us part. I love you every beat of my heart.
Hey guys, it's me, Jamie, and I have Stitch with me. He is 3 weeks old today. Look at how big he has gotten. Alright guys, I will bring the others to let you see them. I will be right back. Hey guys, I have Tiny with me. She's 3 weeks old today. Look how big she has gotten. Look at that little cute face. Look at that little cute face. Alright, I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back with Daisy Duke. Look at that cute little black mug she has. Look at how big she's gotten. Alright guys, I'll be right back. And last, we have Lilo. We have Lilo. She's 3 weeks today. Look at how big she's gotten. Alright guys, I will talk to you later. Bye. Love one another. Don't judge one another.